Hello everyone, I warm welcome you all to your YouTube channel Excellent Academy. I am your Deepak, I am from Tumkur. In this session, I am going to continue the first chapter, that is operations on number. Okay, let us not waste our time. I will straight away go for the problems. Now, next set of questions, they may be asking what will be the units place digit in your answer for a questions. Okay, like for example they may ask what will be the units place for 3 power 4 3 2. Okay, such kind of questions they will ask. What will be the units place for the number 3 power 432, 5 power 389, okay, 6 power 785, like that they are going to ask. Okay, so instantly, just like a calculator, you can get the answers by following the trick that I am going to give you now. Please follow the trick. Okay, please observe here. Please write down. Okay, so 1 power anything is always 1 in the units place, correct? 1 square, 1 cube, whatever it may be, the units place, okay, it will be 1. Then, kindly remember, 2 power 4 will be 6 in the units place. 2 power 4 will be 6 in the units place. 3 power 4 units place will be 1. Okay. Then 4 power 4 units place will be 6. Then 5 power anything in the power. Okay. The units place is always 5. And similarly 6 power anything. Okay. Is always 6. Okay. 6 power anything. Okay. Units place will be 6 only. But 7 power 4 will be equal to 1. 8 power 4 will be equal to 6. And 9 power n. Please see here. If n is odd, okay, then units place will be 9. If n is even, then units place will be 1. These things you have to remember. Okay, please observe here. 1 power anything is 1, 2 power 4 is 6, 2 power 4 is 1, 5 power 4 is 6, 5 power n anything, that means 5 power anything is always 5, 6 power anything is also 6, 7 power 4 is 1, 8 power 4 is 6, 9 power n. If n is odd, then units place will be 9, and if n is even, then okay, then it will be unit place will be 1. Write down this. Please write it down. Okay, hope you have written. Now, I will give few examples. You can understand and you can solve on your own. First few problems you observe here. In your examination, they may ask the question like this. 735 whole power 56. What will be the units place? I already told you, if units place is having 5 and 5 power anything, what will be units place? 5 only. The answer for this question straight away you can tell answer is 5. Okay, another question. 3439 whole power 28. Okay, now what is the units place of this number? 9. I told you 9 power n. If n is odd, then what will be the units place? 9. If n is even, then what will be the units place? 1. Now, in this example, you see, power n is what? N is even. Therefore, what is the units place of this whole power 28? Answer will be 1. Hope you understood. So, just like in calculator, you can get the answers. Okay, another example I am going to give. 3456 whole power 538. I already told you 6 power anything. See the units place 6. 6 power anything. What will be its place? 6 is the answer. Hope you understood with this example also. Okay, now next example, please here. 3423 whole power 28. I will take. Okay. Now please see here. Now units place is what? 3. I already told you 3 power 4 is what? 1. 3 power 4 is 1. Since here in the power what is that? 28 is there. That can be written as 4 into 7 4s are 28. What do you mean by this? 2 power 4 into 7 is nothing but 2 power 4 into 2 power 4 into 2 power 4 up to how many times? 7 times 2 power 4. What will be units place in 3 power 4. This is 3 power 4. Not 2, 3. 3 power 4 into 3 power 4 into 3 power 4 into 3 power 4. Okay, what is the units place in 3 power 4? 1. Here into 1 into 1. Okay, 1 into anything is what? 1. Okay, so answer for this question is what? 1. So you should remember what is 3 power 4 here. Now, another example. 77 whole power 64. Now please here. I know 7 power 4. What is 7 power 4? 1. Okay, 7 power 4 is 1. But here I am having 64. So this can be written as 64 can be written as what? 4 once is 4. Okay, then 4 6 is what? 24. Okay, so this can be written as like this. 4 into anything. Okay, 7 power 4 is what? 1. 4 into anything is also 1. The answer for this question is units place there will be 1. Okay, one more example I am going to take. Please observe. Now you observe. So in the numerator 67 is there. Okay, 7 power 67. So I will split in terms of 4 only. Okay, 16 4 is 64, right? 64, but what I am having in numerator? 67. Therefore I will do plus 3 here. 64 plus 3 is 67. 67 is written as 4 into 16 plus 3. Now I know that this formula a power m plus n is nothing but what? A power m into a power n. Okay, so you know this, right? A power m plus n is nothing but a power m into a power n. Now here this is m, this is n. So this can be written as 7 power 4 into 16 into 7 cube, right? Now 7 power 4 into anything, this a unit place will be 1. Okay, 7 cube, 7 square 49, 9 into 7 63, unit place is what? 3. So 1 into 3, what is units place? 3. That's my answer. Okay, now I will go for the examination questions what they have asked in your exam now. Okay. Now, they have asked the question, what is the unit digit in 7 power 95 minus 3 power 58? Okay, if you solve this, what will be the units place? I know that 7 power 4 is 1. Okay, and 3 power 4 is also 1. This I know, right? Everyone knows 7 power 4 and 3 power 4 is 1. Okay, now I am going to split the powers in terms of 4. That's it. Okay, 95 can be written as, see, 4 2 is 8, then 4 3 is 12. Become 92, right? 92, but I am in 95. So plus 3. Okay, minus here 3 power 4 into 4 1s is 4. Okay, then 4 4s are 16 plus 2. Okay, so 14 4s is what? 56. 56 plus 2 is 58. Now, this can be written as here a power m plus n. Here, a power m plus n. This can be written as what? 7 power 4 into 23. Okay, into 7 cube minus 3 power 4 into 14 into 3 square. What is 7 power 4? Anything is nothing but 1 only. Okay, into 7 cube. Okay, 7 square is 49. 9 into 7 is 63. What is units place? 3. Okay, 1 into 3 is what? 3. I will write directly. 1 into 3 is 3. Minus. Here, this is 1, right? 3 power 4 into anything is what? 1 only. 3 square 9. Now, see here. 3 minus 9 is possible? No. But I am having digits right here. But I am not writing. Only units place I am writing. If it is 3, if I cannot subtract, what I should do? Take the borrow. If you take borrow, 3 will become what? 13. 13 minus 9. What is 13 minus 9? 4. So answer for this question is 4. Option B. Option B. This is an examination question. See how quickly we did. So we should remember what is 7 power 4 is 1. 3 power 4 is 1. I am splitting that and got the answer. The answer for this question is 4. Hope you understood with this example. Okay. Simple question. I will go for the next example now. Now, what is the unit digit in 4137 whole power 754? Okay, so you just only worry about the units place number 7. Okay, power 754. So this can, I know that 7 power 4 is 1. I know this, right? 7 power 4 is 1. So 7 power 4 into, now you see, 4 1s is 4, 2 left out, 4 7s are 7 4s are 28. Okay, so 7 4 6 are 24, 1 left out, 4 2s are 12 plus 2. Okay, see, 4 into 162 is 754 plus 2 is 752 plus 2. Okay, that will be 754. this can be written as 7 power 4 into 162 into 7 square, because a power m plus n is nothing but a power m into a power n. Correct? This will be 1 in the units place. 7 square is 49. Units place is what? 9. So 9 into 1 is 9. Option D is your answer. Option D. Hope you understood with this example as well. Now next question you observe. What will be the unit digit in this example they have given? Okay, now you see here. See, 1 in the units place. I already told you 1 power anything is what? 1. Okay, so this will be 1. Now into 5 power anything, I already told you. 5 power anything is what? 5 power anything is also 5. Okay, into. Now 5 into 1 is what? 5. 5 into 1 is 5. But now you observe here. In units place what I am having? 4. 4 is what? Even number. Even number to the power anything. Okay, so for example, even number, you can write this even number to the power anything. Anything, even number to its power anything is always even number in the units place. Is always even number in the units place. Okay, so this is even number, right? Even number multiplied by 5. Okay, so even number if you multiply by 5, it will be 0 in the units place, because you know 5 into 2 is what? 10. 5 multiplied by any even number will give you 0 in the units place. The answer for this question is 0. Without touching pen and paper, you can write the answer for this question. Okay. See here, 1 power anything is 1. 5 power anything is 5. See, in the units place I am having even number. Even number power anything will be having even number in the units place. Even number if I multiply by 5, definitely I should have 0 in my units place. That's my answer. Okay. So in examination, if they ask the question like this, 6, 3, 4, 5, 4 to the power of 7, 8, 6, 9, 8, 9. What will be the units place? Okay. So what should be your answer? 5 is an answer. 5 power anything is always 5. Okay. Directly you can tell the answer. Suppose if you have 6 here. Okay. What should be your answer? 6 power anything is also 6 in the units place. Okay. Hope you have understood how to find out the units place number for the power numbers. Now, another set of questions they are going to ask you, that I am writing a concept here. Please write down that concept here. X power n minus 1 is divisible by x plus 1 if n is even. Okay, please write down this. X power n plus 1, x power n plus 1 is divisible by x plus 1 if n is odd. If n is odd. See here, x power n minus 1, if I am having minus 1 here, then it is divisible by x plus 1. Okay, when it is divisible by, completely divisible by x plus 1, if I am having n is an even number here. If n is even, then x power n minus 1 is completely divisible by x plus 1. And x power n plus 1 is divisible by x plus 1 if n is odd. If n is odd. Please write down one more formula, concept I am writing here. X power n minus a power n is divisible by x minus a for n being any natural number. N being any natural number. Okay, see here. X power n minus a power n is divisible by x minus a for n being any natural numbers. Please write these three concepts. Okay. Next set of problems I will use this concept to get the answers. Hope you have written. I will rub. Now we shall go for the questions. Okay, on the concept I explained you now. Okay, now please hear. What will be the remainder when 67 power 67 plus 67 is divided by 68? See here. 67 power 67 plus 67 is there. Okay. This 67 can I write like this? 1 plus 66. What is 1 plus 66? 67 only. Just I have written in this format. Okay. Now what they are asking is, what is the remainder when you divide this number by what? 68. What do you mean by 68? 67 plus 1. What do you mean by 68? 67 plus 1. Okay. Why I have written this format? Because in the previous example, I told you in the concept, I know that x power n plus 1 is completely divisible by x plus 1 if n is odd. If n is odd, correct? I have explained you that concept. See here. So in order to apply this concept, I have split like this. Okay. 6 power 67 plus 1 and 66. Why here 66 plus 1? Because I am having 67 here. This is completely divisible by 68. What do you mean by 68? 67 plus 1 only. 67 plus 1 is nothing but what? 68 only. Okay. Now, see this. X power n plus 1 is divisible by, see, x plus 1. This is completely divisible. But I am having what? Extra 66. Then what is this extra? Extra is nothing but remainder. So 66 is your remainder for this question. Just I applied this concept here. I have expressed the problem in terms of my concept. See, without touching pen and paper, I can tell what is the answer for this. Answer for this question is 66. Okay. So remainder is 66. Let me explain one more time. Please observe here. I know this concept, right? X power n plus 1 is divisible by x plus 1 if n is odd. So I saw that problem. I am having an odd number here and plus symbol here. So I want to put it here, this question in terms of this format. So what I will do is, okay, 67 power 67, that is x power n, okay, plus 67 can be, I want 1 here, right? Therefore 1 plus 66. 67 is nothing but what? 1 plus 66. Okay. This is divisible by, if I divide this by x, what is x? 67 plus 1. What they are asking to divide by 68. What I am writing 68 only, 67 plus 1. I know that this will be completely divisible. I told you x power n plus 1 is divisible by what? X plus 1. But then what is this? This is remainder. This is the remainder. See, what is the answer for this question then? Answer for this question is 66. Answer for this question is 66. Hope you have understood. Okay. I will go for the next example now. See, these are all shortcuts, tricks. You should know these shortcuts. Then only you can solve the questions very quickly in your examination. So in order to know every shortcut for each problem, you need not worry. You need not scratch your mind. Just follow my videos. Definitely for each and every problem, I will be writing the shortcut. Okay. Next. Which of the following numbers will completely divide 49 power 15 minus 1? Okay. I know this formula, right? I know that x power n minus 1 is completely divisible by x plus 1 if n is even. If n is even. Okay. This I know very much. But you see here, n is what? Odd. Okay. But minus symbol is there and here n is odd. So no need to worry. What do you mean by 49? 49 is nothing but 7 square, right? See, 49 I am writing this as 7 square whole power 15. Okay. Minus 1. Okay. So this can be written as now 7 power 15 into 2, 30. 7 power 30 minus 1. Okay. See here, x power n minus 1. It is divisible by x plus 1. What is your x? 7 plus 1. That is 8. Okay. Now you see here. So what they are asking, which of the following will be dividing this number? Okay, 7 power 30 minus 1 is nothing but what? 7 power 49 power 15 minus 1 only. This is completely divisible by what? 8. Okay, so answer for this question is what? A. Option A. Just I am expressing the question in terms of the concept I know, correct? In terms of the concept I know. So what is the answer for your question? The answer for this question is option A, that is 8. Option A, that is 8. Now, x power n minus a power n is completely divisible by x minus a. Okay, when okay, these are the options. Okay, The question is this much only. Option A, if n is any natural number. So I already told you in the beginning itself. Okay. So x power n minus a power n is divisible by x minus a for any value of the n being natural number. See, in the previous session I told you. So what's your answer? It is a direct concept they have given. So answer for this question is option A. That is n being any natural number. I have already explained this here, right? Okay, that's it. Next question. What will be the remainder when 17 power 200 is divided by 18? 17 power 200 is divided by 18. Okay, now please hear. I know that x power n minus 1 is completely divisible by x plus 1 if n is even. Correct? I know this concept. X power n minus 1 is completely divisible by x plus 1, okay, when n is even. Now I will put it like this. 17 power 200, okay, is completely divisible by your 17 plus 1. What do you mean by 18? 17 plus 1, okay. When it can be divisible? When I have minus 1 here, correct? See, x power n minus 1 if I had, then only it is divisible by 17 plus 1. What do you mean by 17 plus 1? 18. Okay. But they have not given minus 1 here. Okay. So that means this is not completely divisible. If I subtract 1, then only it is completely divisible. If I am not subtracting, that 1 will be the remainder, right? Okay, for 0 remainder, I should subtract minus 1. If I am not subtracting that one, okay, then 1 will be the remainder. Okay, see here, 17 power 200 minus 1 is completely divisible, but not 17 power 200. If I want to divide this completely by 18, so I have to do minus 1. What do you mean by minus 1? This minus 1 is the remainder. 1 is the remainder, correct? If I subtract 1, then only it is divisible. Therefore, what is the remainder for your question? The answer for this question is C, option C. Hope you have understood with this example also. Very simple. Only thing you have to apply the logic here. Hope you have understood. Okay. So that's it from this session. If you have any doubts, please feel free to ask me. Okay, my WhatsApp number I am writing here, 9742331968. My WhatsApp number 9742331968. Please subscribe my channel. Click on the bell button for the updates. If you like my videos, like them and share them. Please note that liking and sharing is always caring. If you are learning, please help others also to learn. Share my videos so everyone should learn for free. Okay, I want everyone to achieve competitive excellence. With this, I am ending my session. Thank you.